Another interesting tool is fill tool. If you click on that, you can see we have two tool in this category. For creating that, I create a simple shape here with a fill tool. You can change the color of this shape. First is a context, means where do you want to assign this? I want to assign to the field. You can go to setting of the tool, and this is our field. You can assign any color here that you want. Then you can go to the stroke and assign any stroke that you want and make it bigger. I want to tell you what is that. You can go to the stroke setting here or a stroke setting there. I want to make it outside. Everything is nice. So we want to change the color pattern inside or outside the fill and the stroke. Going with that. First, I want to change the color of inside fill. We have fill and a stroke. Fill. Type solid. It's very simple. You can change the solid color inside. I will show you more about that. Next is a linear. Now it's nice. You saw it before. If you click, we have swatches, color, linear, hatch. Gradient and the hatch are very easy to assign here. So you can see we have two lines. You can move them anywhere that you want. You can see. And create a linear and change handle of that. Easy. You can rotate it. I think this big one is the base, and you can see you can rotate it. You can reverse it if you need. And that's it. If you want to change the color of that, select that. Select these points. Going here, select this, and change the color of that. Then select that. Change the color of that. So you can change a linear. Another thing is elliptical. It's a circle. You can see these handles. You can change them and use something like this. You can select this, go into that, and change the color. I think these are just handle. You can come here and just select the outside of that, inside and outside. Another thing is radial. You can change like a radial, something like this. Radial gradient. Change the gradient in between. You can choose a point and change the color of that here. It's radial. Click and choose a point, and you can change in between them. Okay, you don't need to be just two of them. You can see you can move over here, and it's a plus icon. You can plus anything that you want. It's like this. Conical is something like that. You can change color of this and simply move it. If you come here, you can change color of that. Very simple. Another thing is a mesh. It's very interesting. You can see we have a lot of mesh here based on this color, but it is very different. You can move these points, and if you select that, you can come here and change the color of that. You can see it change the color, and you can change the handle to changing the color. You can create such interesting things. Select that, for example, going to change the color, and like this. You can see with a mesh, you can create such interesting. Select that mesh, going to here, and change the color of that, and mix them together. You can see with a mesh, you can mix in color, something like this. Another thing is a bitmap. With this bitmap, you can enter your texture inside of that. If you go in the bitmap, you can change the extent, wrap, repeat, or anything. Wrap. We need to maintain aspect ratio, because if we want to move this, you can see it maintain the aspect ratio of the pattern. You can rotate it, anything that you want. This is on wrap, quality of that, mirroring your text inside that, or repeat that, or 0. It means just 1. I think a wrap is nice with this. If you don't want to make aspect ratio, just turn it off and do something like this to fit your image. Another type is hatch, and here you can create your hatch here. Very interesting. Okay, you can maintain aspect ratio if you need. You can change the color of your hatch or line rotation here, but with this you can use it manually. You can see you can change the hatch manually. You can change the everything here. Nice. You can see you can change the spacing of hatch. You can change the rotation of your hatch. You can change the width of your hatch, something like this. With this color, you can change the base color, and with this color, you can change the hatch color. And if you're satisfied, you can bake it. And you can see this line are appearing here. And it's baked, and it's like lines, and you can move it, scale it, rotate it, anything that you want. You can see it's baked. And done. Again, if you want to create another thing, select your object and done. Okay, these are for fields. We can do everything in a stroke. Interesting. If you select that and the context, make it to a stroke, and now everything assigned to your stroke. If you want to choose solid or for example bitmap, again our tutorial cells, aspect ratio, wrap, make it smaller. You can see it assign that bitmap into a stroke. Nice. If you come back and change the stroke size, you can see that texture is assigned to the stroke. Everything you create and change fill inside the fill, now you can assign to the stroke of your object. You can see to a stroke object. Interesting. So the first, you have to select which part do you want to assign, fill or stroke, and do type, change the type of that.